almost there. Come with me. Come with me, come with me.
Well, I hope every able-bodied Filipino will try their best to come here. Forget the age. Age is just a number. Magandang experience na hindi matutularan basta-basta at napaka hirap nga pero successful naman.